Cracking jokes, never telling stories. I cried from her one day if she noticed. Crushing butterflies, I'm assaulted. Should've taken a shot from my heart. Weed and the melodies mixed up. Shawty breaking down all the green stuff. Always get the dancing, not the liquor. Forever catch a vibe and live up.
Shit, like when the pandemic first started, hella niggas was getting shot over the hella shit was going on, like real life bullshit. But every time the whites pulled up, all that shit calmed down, bro. We calmed the crowd down, bro. Like we get the crowd going, but we calm the crowd down to the nonsense. Like when I say nonsense, the gun violence, the fuck you, fuck this. The shit, if you see 50 bikes keep going back and forth, Willie and the shit, dude standing on the seat, buddy ass got his leg touching the ground, fool got his bitch on the back of the bike, swinging his arm, no-handed. Bro, you ain't thinking about what dude ass thinking about over there. You fake like, damn, folks ass raw as hell. I need to get like that type shit. You feel me? It's an adrenaline rush, bro, even if you not even on the bike.
Love it when the vibe keep rolling. Elevate good emotions. Not perfect, we know it. Learn and keep on growing. Vibe and energy mix up. Mix up. Mix up. Mix up. Time. Be rolling. Be rolling. I'm on time. Be rolling.
Okay, bike life is no handbrake. So meaning when I say handbrake, it's all down here. You only using the foot brake on the other side. You can't see it, that's the shifter, but
right.
That's real bike life. Bike life is when the police come, you run, you not stopping to fucking talk.
Yeah.
It's no face, no case. You see what I'm saying? Meaning like shit, you know, if they don't see you, then they don't know who the fuck you is. Bike life of brotherhood, bro. It's just like you want to ride, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're not doing it for the gram. You're not doing it for the fucking clout. You doing it for your own gratification. Like shit, you know you gonna bust your ass. That's real bike life. You know you gonna get nice. You know you gonna have your days where you ain't gonna be nice. It's gonna always be somebody better than you. That's bike life.
Be rolling. Be rolling. I'm on time. Be rolling. We rolling.
We got this atmosphere like, I don't care what nobody say, bro. You don't even got beef from Chicago. You could come up here, get around some people, and you gonna start wanting to do negative shit because just everybody just do. But negative shit, I mean, in Chicago, meaning like, you know, for an example, you could tell somebody like, man, gang, it's busting over there. But really, it ain't busting over there, bro. It's busting, but it's like you can get killed busting. So like, that's my thing. People tell people like it's busting, it's this, but that's really negativity because like when you get into that type of shit, it ain't nothing positive coming out of it. So I'm directly trying to get people to understand, get you a bike. Or you don't gotta get a bike, buy a jet ski, bro. Buy a soccer ball or something. Shit, you know what I'm saying? Shit. Just you ain't gotta be picking up no gun and shooting the next man. So I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I love bike life. Would I retire from it? Fuck no. I'ma always keep a bike. But I just think Chicago got to do better as far as like trying to magnify what go on in some of these like, you know, little cultures like bike life.
Life be life and